Here's a look at the eMini S&P for Monday, December the 21st, 2009. At eMiniDayTrader, of course, we always like to use the market profiles. So this is today's market profile and volume profile. This is what occurred on Friday. The one in between the two in the red rectangle here is what occurred overnight. So we were looking at around the 1100 area as resistance, and that if the market opened above that, it would be somewhat positive, and if it opened above 1103, it would be very positive. And as a result, we ended up by trading on the long side today. We'll take a look here at the other profiles that we like to use, which are the day session only. So these profiles are similar to the ones we just looked at a moment ago on the other sheet, except this is today, the previous one was Friday, this was Thursday, and so on. So a good move higher here, testing last week's high today. We did it on pretty light volume, so it's probably going to have to pull back a bit, would be my guess for tomorrow. We did have two trades here today. We had a really nice early trade that got us in right here on this pullback. We were able to run that up right up to the high here. Maximum gain on that trade was 4 3/4 points. We ended up obviously reaching our first two objectives very easily, and then exiting with 2 points on our final partial. So a nicely profitable trade there. We knew that the 12 would act as probably some resistance, but when it traded above it, we got long here. Ended up with just a break even on that trade as it moved in our favor. Just 3 ticks filled on that, and then exited with a 3 tick minus, so a net break even on that trade. It was a little bit of a gamble because we knew that there was a barrier up there around 13, which was last week's high. So with just the 2 trades today, one trade here really worked out great, and then the second trade was a break even. So we are expecting the market to pull back some tomorrow. Look for today's low as a probable support, or even where the market closed in the regular trading hours, right around 750, and of course with the 12 to 13 area as likely resistance. So that's what we're looking at as possible support here, or right where the market dipped to, and then of course resistance up here at 12 and 13. We always look forward to your questions and comments, and please send us any. We'd love to hear from you at info@eminidaytrader.com, and we'll get right back to you. So just a relatively quiet day as far as trades were concerned. We did have 2 trades, and although it's likely to get a little more quiet here with Thursday's market closing early, and of course Friday the holiday, so likely to calm down here and not have a lot of action the next couple days. But then again, sometimes if a big trader comes in, obviously they can move the market substantially in this lighter volume environment. But that's what we had going today, and look forward to hearing from you. So thanks for taking the time to view the video, and we'll see you again tomorrow.